Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good yarn box for the month of April. I mentioned in my May video that my April box was going to take a little while to get to me due to delayed shipping. The yarn in this box was made in India, and what's going on in the world, it was going to take a little while to get to me. It finally arrived, and I'm excited to see what's in this box. The Darn Good yarn box is a subscription service that you can get monthly. There are several different tiers that you can pick from, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and an extra item that is different every time. This video is not sponsored in any way. They have no idea who I am. They have no idea that I'm making this video. I just like to unbox these on video with you guys, and at the end of the year, I plan on doing a sort of collective haul of everyone that I get. So I'm really excited to see what I get every month, and then what I'm going to get at the end of the year to see, is this worth it for you guys? Is it something you'd be interested in? I think it's really fun to get every month, and I think it's really fun. The box is fun, the yarn is fun because it's always different, and then the item, you never know really what you're going to get. So I just think it's really fun to do these videos and unbox them. So let's go ahead and open up my box for April. By the way, this color is so cute, this bright yellow. I love it. Every time you get a box, it is a different color, which I think is so fun. Ooh. All right, let's see the yarn. Oh, it's so colorful. It's very squishy. Oh, I love how colorful it is. Sport weight silk. Ooh, dragon's tail. That's so cute. That's adorable. So it's going to tell you a little bit about the yarn and, how they make it and everything. And this is going to have, the needle and the hook that you would use for it. So cute. Oh my god, I love this. It's so soft. The next thing, yarn laundry soap. Ooh, okay. I have actually never washed my yarn before. Now I've washed like blankets and different items like that, but I've never actually washed my yarn. And I've heard that if you do, it can make it softer to work with. So that's super exciting. I will have to use this and then let you guys know how it works. And my thoughts and everything on it. That is super cool though. I've never actually got anything like this before for my yarn. So I'm excited to use that. That's pretty cool. And you always get a little booklet. And it's going to tell you, about the company, how the yarn was made, about the yarn and your extra gift. That's so cool. I always read through these at the end once I'm done with my videos. Ooh, cool. You're going to get a knitting pattern. And you're going to get a crochet pattern to go with the yarn. So how fun is that? Those are so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah. All right. So that is my box for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Also, remember to check out the playlist that I have for all of my unboxings. I will have it listed up in the eye and down below. Be sure to subscribe so you can see my collective haul at the end of the year for all of my boxes. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.